Loaded L. Backup sensors, entertainment DVD player, and sunroof moonroof. Nice powered third row seat and power liftgate. Incredible condition. Like new in every way. Runs mint. If you want an amazing deal on an amazing car, with just about everything you could order, then take a look at this fully loaded 2007 Ford Expedition EL. This fun Expedition EL, with its 4WD, will handle anything Mother Nature decides to throw at you during one of her bad days at work.